So this is my first vlog that I'm taking with my new GoPro, and this is just a test run. I'm not sure how it's gonna look like on screen, but yeah, I'm just trying it out because it's just arrived yesterday and it feels so good, to have it. But even though there's no actual content to capture as of now, but I still wanted to try out, so this is me trying out. And as you can see, I'm wearing like a traditional Korean hanbok style clothes because today is the day before or 2 days before Chuseok, the Korean Thanksgiving. Yeah, I think that's how you would call it, but I think calling it Chuseok would be better. And so yeah, I'm wearing this to my company and then I'll also be wearing while I get filmed while playing a board game. Yeah, so it's gonna be fun, I guess, and I hope they let us go early today at our company. They didn't say anything yet, but I hope they do let us go. That's it.